Good morning, folks. Today we're in North Yorkshire at Topcliffe, the River Swale. We're just going to have a look at the flooding, which is getting pretty bad. It's supposed to be at record level tomorrow at 5 AM. So let's take a look. Walking onto the bridge. This is the left-hand side of the bridge as if you'd go into Thirsk. Up towards Leeds fishing waters, which obviously are not accessible today. We know guys on the bank barbel fishing. And we'll cross over and see what we've got at the caravan park. So there's the underside of the bridge and the caravan park. Set for flooding. Sandbags are out. Came last night, it was about 10 inches lower than this, so it's still rising. Fingers crossed for these guys who own these caravans. Everything's safe. Okay, we're going to move on. Go to Azenby and have a look at the flooding there. Try and get the drone up if we can, but it's very windy. And then I want to move on to Borough Bridge to the URE. It's peaked as the URE early this morning, so I think it's on its way down. Although it's still raining up in the hills, so we'll just have to see what happens. But if we can get some drone footage, we'll add it to this and so get some good aerial shots. See you soon. So we've moved down to Azenby. Well, far side of Azenby, on the opposite side of the A19 bridge. I'm going to show you some the footage of this and how close to the top of the bridge it is. Don't walk through this field, it's got its crops in it, but we'll have a look. I'll turn you around now. So this is the A19 bridge just outside Azenby and Topcliffe. That's how close it is to the top of the bridge. Snow on the hills, on the Hambleton Hills. So there's all that to come down yet. So we've come down to Thornton Bridge and surprise, surprise, here we go. Problems. It's well up here. We're not getting through there. Oh dear, poor people. We'll try and go right round Borough Bridge, come back, trying to get to the bridge and get some footage from the other side. So we travelled round because of the flood, road closed should I say, and the car's stuck in the flood. We've travelled round the other way, round the back of Disforth and then to Thornton Bridge. Now that's Thornton Bridge there, just behind me. So we'll go have a look and see what a mess it's making here. It's very, very close to the top of the flood banks. As you can see that, just there, we can get on the bridge and have a look. Pools of water everywhere. Walk up onto the bridge now. There's cars still coming across the bridge because from Borough Bridge you can actually get across, turn right and get across the bridge. But towards Cundall, Azenby and Topcliffe is closed, there's no chance. So here we are. This is the top of the bridge. Unbelievable. And that's the flood banks. So the flood banks of what? We've probably got about, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches maximum. And it'll be over the banks. So I'm right on the bridge now. I'm literally, I don't know, 5 foot, 6 foot maximum to the water. Apologise for any wind, it's pretty windy out today. I wanted to get the drone up, but I don't think that's going to happen. It's burst its banks on this side. There's cars all over, stopped. See down there, towing people out. Anyway, we'll try and head over to Borough Bridge, see if we get any footage anywhere else. But that's Thornton Bridge for you. It's still not peaked. Thornton Bridge, pretty high. If anybody knows this area from, I don't know, fishing or passing through to Easingwall, Borough Bridge, Topcliffe, then they'll know that it's pretty high. So here we are, Borough Bridge. Show you down High Street. Onto the bridge. And the river's up. This is the River York. As you can see, there's the top of the bridge. And that's the River York pumping out. So yeah, pretty bad up here. We've been the Swale, now we're obviously, like I say, at Borough Bridge, and this is peak now, so it's not going to get any higher, I don't think, but we will see later on. I have seen it a lot higher at Borough Bridge, flooding right across the road where the canal meets the bridge road, sort of as a roundabout, and the canal floods when the river's flooding, obviously, same water, and they have shut that road many times. But yeah, you can just see how much effect it has on farmers' land and properties around, where can damage so much stuff. It's a force of nature that can't be reckoned with, and unfortunately we're due a bit more rain, and we'll see, but fingers crossed that's it for the year. It's as high as it can get. There's the top of the bridge. Okay, see you folks.